At Impact Robotics, we are a company which make products and services that accelerate the deployment of robots. It's a UR Plus certified partner, and this event, Collaborate 2024, is a very interesting event. It's the third edition. We have been part of the previous two editions in Thailand and in Malaysia, but we are really happy that they've brought this event to India, because this is one great platform where we are in a position to showcase our innovation to the customers in India and see how Indian customers are in a position to use collaborative robots and make a difference to their production and to their efficiencies. At one place, you're able to see different kinds of technologies which are all put together. Customers from different industries can come in over here and identify what works for them, have dialogues, and more than anything, it's very thought-provoking because it also inspires companies to be able to think differently, to be able to innovate, and to be able to see how they can make a difference.
We have just inaugurated our factory last month in a small village, Kikwi, near Pune. And from that particular factory, we are looking at building up automation solutions, especially the smart end-of-arm tool solutions. Today, we are a part of this UR Collaborate India APAC show happening here in Pune. We are glad that we are a part of this particular event. We are seeing good footfalls. We are seeing good quality crowd coming in and talking to us about the latest innovations, the product range, how we can support all the UR system integrators on building up innovative, reliable and smart automation cells. We have also displayed here our wide range of robotic accessories like the automatic tool changing units, the compensation units. Then we have also displayed our wide range of gripping solutions like the pneumatic grippers, the small and the long stroke versions as well. And more importantly, what we have also displayed here is our IO-Link based solutions, which are Industry 4.0 ready, and you can actually find them in working condition on the booth space here. Furthermore, I will also be presenting today about the smart end-of-arm tool solutions for robotic applications, which we have built for the UR ecosystem. So it will be really interesting to be a part of such an august gathering, and we look forward to collaborating more and more with the UR system integrators and be a part of this particular ecosystem.
Very privileged to be here. It's a great event because this is something what India needs. When you talk about manufacturing, the industry has to go up to Industry 4.0. We have been migrating to Industry 5.0, and this is very critical for us to get into this zone. Two things which I always tell: this is a great event when it brings all the stakeholders here and we understand how the world market is progressing and how it's going to impact us as a country where the manufacturing has to grow manifold. I always keep on telling there is a big skill gap which can come in the Indian ecosystem, where you have to breeze the skill development part. We have to also bring in more stakeholders like the MSMEs into the fold. The OEMs are always there to lead this group, but then there's a lot of opportunities for the MSMEs to come in. And looking forward to many more interactions and wishing this program good luck.
TATA has taken the lead in creating thousands of students and thousands of engineers working in industry to get upskilling in the area of factory automation, process automation, industrial automation, robotic welding, and so on and so forth. We are very happy to be here in the conference Collaborate of Universal Robo, and here they have displayed more than 20 applications and excellent workshops and seminars going on. Very delighted to bring all this to the training and skill development ecosystem of the Tata Indian Institute of Skills. And as the students of the future are getting ready to understand collaborative robos from Universal Robo and other companies, it is a great mission starting for the Indian market and the Indian industry to take our country forward in the area of automation. Needless to mention, upskilling of the existing employees and engineers from the industry, as well as fresh students coming from engineering colleges, polytechnics, and ITIs. In thousands and thousands of people will go through Tata Indian Institute of Skills, and we have commissioned the collaborative robos and MIR, AMRs and autonomous mobile robos in the campus in Bombay and Ahmedabad in Tata Indian Institute of Skills. We welcome all the industries to visit us for the placement of our students, and thousands of students will be available for the Indian market, trained by the European leader Universal Robo. Thank you.